It's that time of year again, friends. Amazon, our favorite retail overlord, is back to save us from this hot inflation summer with a bevy of deals and discounts to hold us over until the holiday season. Prime Day is Amazon's massive annual site-wide sale for members of their popular Prime subscription service, featuring doorbuster offers that rival other shopping holidays like Black Friday. Now, Prime Day has evolved into a 48-hour affair, also accompanied by multiple weeks of preview deals to whet your savings appetites. Honestly, at this point, it makes more sense just to call it Prime Days. This year, Prime Day will take place on July 11th and continue through July 12th. Once the event begins, you'll be able to strap in and watch as new offers trickle in every 30 minutes. Although this year's Amazon Mega Sale will be pretty similar to previous years, 2023 will be the first time the retailer employs invite-only deals to help cut down on the chaos and supply chain scaries surrounding their most coveted products. This invite-only moniker will apply to 9 separate offers throughout Prime Day, and Prime members can go to these pages right now to start requesting invites. If you're chosen, Amazon will email you with a unique link that you can use to make your purchase on the big day. Now here's a few things we recommend checking off your to-do list ahead of time to ensure that your Prime Day experience isn't a total flop. First things first, sign up for Amazon Prime. Signing up for the service is simple. Just go to amazon.com/prime and click start your free 30-day trial. Then sign into or create your Amazon account, add a payment method, and activate. Don't worry, you won't be charged up front and you'll get full Prime Day access even as a trial member. If you don't want to fully commit to subscribing, you can cancel your trial right after the shopping event ends without ever having to pay a penny. Next up, organize your wish list. Amazon's wishlist feature allows you to bookmark all of your most sought-after items and keep them in one convenient place so you don't have to hop between hundreds of open tabs once the Prime Day chaos ensues. You can even rank each item by priority and see all the ones that are currently on sale at a glance. Download the Amazon app. The Amazon app is a more streamlined way to browse the retailer's offerings and is one of the best ways to stay in the know about all the deals that are right up your alley thanks to push notifications. Pro tip, turn on wish list alerts and get notified anytime one of your wish listed items sees a price cut. If you have an Alexa, use it to your advantage. One of Alexa's fun hidden features is advanced deals alerts. This enables your Alexa device to give you a heads up when an item you want goes on sale up to 24 hours before it even goes live. All you have to do is go into your Alexa mobile app settings and turn on notifications for shopping recommendations and then deal recommendations. Cross-check with other retailers. Many other big box stores are holding Prime Day competing events of their own now, and they're trying their darndest to beat Amazon's prices. That's great news for you, because you could ostensibly save even more money on a given deal by quickly comparing it to another retailer before checking out. Keep an eye out for Walmart, Best Buy, and Target, which will all be running their own respective sales events around the same time as Amazon. Use price tracking tools. Online price tracking tools like Camel, and Honey can help discern if a sale price you come across is actually any good by synthesizing historical pricing data. You'll be able to see how often any given product goes on sale, for what price, and also see the lowest price it's ever been listed at. You can also create price watch alerts for specific items. Buy now, pay later. Not everyone is able to pay for their Prime Day shopping carts in one lump sum, but that shouldn't keep you from getting exactly what you want. Thankfully, Amazon has partnered with Affirm and has brought the company's Buy Now, Pay Later function to the Amazon storefront. This feature allows you to break up your pricier purchases into smaller monthly payments so you can snag all the Prime Day deals you want without completely draining your bank account. Follow these tips and we can guarantee you'll have a better experience this Prime Day than you did last year. And speaking of last year's Prime Day, we should probably address the elephant in the room called Prime Day 2. Yes, last year Amazon hit us with a second surprise Prime Day on October 11th, just a few months after the first go. So, are we getting Prime Day 2 again? Well, we can't officially confirm, but all signs point to yes following last year's success. But that's a topic for another time. Until then, we wish you a prosperous Prime Day when things kick off on July 11th. Happy shopping, and be sure to stay tuned to Mashable.com for all the Prime Day info you need to know.